welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna make slime. Ang una, gagawa tayong borax. We're gonna need powder, salt, and water. First, we're gonna add the salt into the powder. Oh, there are 1 teaspoon of water. Okay. Ito na po ang ating borax. Mix lang po. Ito na po ang ating finished product na borax. Naman tayong slime using salt and washing powder na ginawa natin kanina. Kailangan natin ng glue. Tapos ito yung ginawa natin borax, food color. It's time to pour it. Wow. Kailangan ubos na ubos yung glue. Kasi many people na nagawa nito, hindi nila na-ubos yung glue. Kaya, glowy poof. Okay, now we're gonna add borax. A little bit of borax is enough. It may be okay. Natin ang lalagyan para mix ng maganda. Ngayon, lalagyan na natin ng food color pero onti lang. Ay, mix. Okay. It's gonna be nice. So, guys, hindi nagsucceed yung slime natin. Hindi ko alam kung ano nangyari. Tingnan nyo. Tumigas siya na. Pwede nangyari yung slime. No. So, this is the pale slime. But I'm gonna keep it. And Mama, and the other pale slime, I'm gonna keep it. But they're so pretty. We spend money for having a good slime, but we don't put iron. That's so gross. I don't know. Because the borax is not actually a borax, guys. Looks so fair. Why all the slime you guys making is not failure, but mine is failure. No. Can you teach me guys how to make slime? Just comment. Right? So, thank you for watching my video. Just comment if you want to do another video of slime. And can you teach me?